Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Monday, May 31st, 2021, and it's the last day of May. Wow, the time goes by like this. We are near the end of this cycle of this year, school year, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so what we're going to do today is practice the obligations and provisions. As you know, obligations we use the must, obligation or strong advice. For example, she must be in bed because she has the flu. Jack must brush his teeth before going to bed. But when we want to say a prohibition, we also say mustn't. We say mustn't. Peter mustn't sleep during the class, or you mustn't smoke. Prohibition. So that's why we're going to practice by doing a driving test. Must or mustn't? Let's know if you can drive sooner. For example, we're driving. Oh, a traffic sign. What is it said? You turn right. Must or mustn't, guys? Yeah, that's right. Oh, mustn't. Correct. Let's see. Down. We'll keep driving. Oh, what does the sign say? You must or mustn't turn left.
Correct!
Must. Yeah, that's right. We keep going. What does the sign say, guys? You must or mustn't turn left.
Correct!
Mustn't. Very good. Correct. We continue. You stop here. It's a must or mustn't. You must stop here or you mustn't stop here. It's a hard one, guys. But I think you are correct. You must stop here. Very good. We continue. You park here. It's a must or mustn't? What do you say?
Correct.
Mustn't. Yeah, you're right. Let's continue. Oh, what does the sign say, guys? You turn right. You must or you mustn't turn right. I think it's must.
Correct.
Yeah, you were right. You're very smart, guys. You must turn right. Let's continue. Oh no. You must or mustn't enter. What do you think, guys? I think that is you must. You mustn't enter. Very good. Let's continue. Oh no. Okay. So you must or mustn't go ahead. If you say you must go ahead, you are correct. Oh, but we have a new sign here. You stop here. You must or you mustn't? I think it is you mustn't stop here. Okay, we passed our driving test, but let's. No, sorry, this one is not for here. Okay, so yeah, we passed our driving test, and we did it very good, guys. Thank you for helping me. And that's all for the class today. Have a very nice day and see you tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.